It is not too late to make a YouTube channel and increase brand awareness, increase leads. You can monetize your channel, sell advertising, make affiliate income, lots of opportunity with YouTube if it's done well. And by done well, I do not mean spending a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube account. My name is Lori Ballen. I'm a six-figure affiliate marketer. I also own several businesses, all of which benefit from YouTube. So the first thing you're going to do is just go over here to youtube.com/create_channel. So just go on to Google and type in create a YouTube channel and find this link here, youtube.com/create-a-channel. Now, if you have a Google account, you're going to go ahead and sign in here. If you don't have a Google account, you're going to click create account. Okay, first name, last name, email address. All right, and you'll need to confirm this email belongs to you. You're going to click next. Then you have to verify that email and type in the code. All right, once your channel is set up, this is where everything really begins. So I'm going to be taking this step by step, showing you each of the items here, but I want you to go ahead and go to my channel, and you can see here this channel doesn't have any content. And now we're going to go over to customize channel, and this is where everything's going to begin. We're going to add our profile, we're going to add our channel art, we're going to add a channel description, and we're going to upload a video, and we'll create a trailer. So I'm going to take care of that in the next video, but you have step one of how to set up a YouTube channel.